Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. And welcome to part 2 of my swatch and review for Sunnies Face Play Paint Nail Polishes. As some of you might already know, I'm done swatching Leotard, Taro, and Sugar Plum on my first Sunnies Face Play Paint swatch and review. And I finally got these 3 shades. These 3 shades are like the shades I really wanted to try out first, but last time when I ordered, these shades weren't available. So finally, I've got them, and we've bought it at Sunnies Face official Shopee Mall. So before every swatch, I'm applying peel-off nail mask to my natural nails. Let's first swatch Avo. So I'm applying one thick coat. And it's a bit patchy. Here are my nails with one coat of Avo. So now, let's apply the second coat. Now that looks good. Avo surely does have a soft avocado shade. Now let's move on to the second shade, which is Pool. And it's a bit patchy on the first coat as well. Now let's apply the second coat. It's still a bit uneven, so let's apply a third coat. Pool has a cool pastel blue vibe. Now let's try out Daisy. One coat surely looks very uneven and patchy. Let's apply a second coat. We're almost getting there, but we'll have to apply the third coat. Daisy looks like a pretty ray of pastel sunshine in 3 coats. Bought these at Sunnies Face official Shopee Mall, and it's 245 pesos each. Each play paint comes with a box that corresponds to its shade name. And their play paints are in 12-gram bottles. I absolutely love their nail polish bottles. It's super unique, classy, and very eye-catching. Last time, I swatched the shades Leotard, Taro, and Sugar Plum, and one thick coat is enough to make it opaque. But this time, it took me 3 coats to make Pool and Daisy opaque, and 2 coats for Avo. I'm glad that this nail polish is fast drying, and I don't mind applying up to 3 coats. These 3 shades have a creme finish, and it doesn't have a strong nail polish odor. It has a 10-free nail polish formula, and it's paraben and cruelty-free. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!